Hello friends, hi. Let's discuss today about Nifty and Bank Nifty, how it performed last week and how it's gonna perform the next week. I mean the coming week. And we're gonna discuss technical charts and also option chain and also FI and DI data and what are the safe bets and what are the aggressive bets that we can take on the Nifty. Depends on the risk of appetite you have. So let's start. So this is the trading view and I'm opening Nifty chart. So first we'll see how weekly turned out. So in weekly, it is almost formed a good bullish candle. The ended at a high of the candle. So the next resistance in weekly turns out to be 17,800. Once it crosses 17,800, the next step is to reach 18,300. So this is a weekly chart. So coming to the day chart, let's see the day chart. So yeah, it is in bullish channel for now, and after it consolidated a bit at 17,400 levels. It on Friday it took supported 17,410 levels, and then it formed a bearish candle completely, and it almost ended a day high. It also formed a bullish engulfing at the support levels in the trend line, I can say. So the next target is again, I can say, because this is where it turned out, turned U-turn of the market. So again we can expect some resistance here, and after breaking out you can take a trade. For now I can say let's wait for the trade, as the stop loss would be like 17,420 levels and the target would be like 100 points away. Better to wait at 1700 and let it break out, and after it gives a small pullback at 1700 levels, it will test it at least once. So once it gets into 17,800 levels, you will be having a good trade to take with the target of 18,300 levels and the stop loss of just around 17,800 levels. So this is the day candle. So we can see the how it performed on Friday, whether it is strong bullish candle or how it performed. So yeah. So here opened almost at flat levels. It took support at 1714 levels, and again it went up. It consolidated a bit from, just a second, yeah, 10 o'clock to almost 13. It consolidated almost like 3 hours. After 3 hours it gave a breakout with the good volumes, and also it consolidated a bit here, very narrow range consolidation. Again it consolidated from 1330 to 1455, like 1.5 hour, and again it gave a breakout. So this is a very strong breakout pattern, bullish, consolidation, bullish and consolidation and breakout. So this is a very good trade, you can say. For Nifty we can say 17,800 is the next target. Once it breaks out of the 17,800, it will be a good trade to take to 18,300 levels with a stop loss of 17,900 once it gives a pullback provided. Okay, so okay friends, now let's discuss Nifty weekly analysis. Nifty weekly analysis also, it took a good support here, and then again it took a bullish engulfing. The next resistance turns out to be like biggest resistance is like around 40,000 levels, and the next resistance will be around 38,000 levels. So I think I can draw a parallel channel in this, I guess. Yeah. So it is still in bearish engulfing. Once it gives the breakout, and we can say it will be definitely go up. Now considering day candle. So yeah. So in day candle also you can see whatever in weekly candle we have drawn, the day candle also it is the same chart, a bit of. Okay, the next resistance, again the horizontal level resistance and this level resistance almost stands out to be the same, a bit of like 50 points difference. So the next resistance will be like 38,000. So what Friday happened? In Friday it broke out 100 EMA and 200 EMA, which are the very crucial levels for the market, and it breaks out. So I think the market should, whenever it goes up, it should take support of 100 EMA and 200 EMA, which is around like 36,812 and around 36,700, 800 levels. Okay. So whenever the market goes up and come back, so it should take support at 100 EMA and 200 EMA. Once it breaks 200 and once it breaks 100 EMA and 200 EMA, so it might break down more. So for now, so this is the thing. So let's see how it performed on day candle, 15 minutes candle on Friday. So I'll go to the futures because there will be some volume also included in that. Okay, so this is how it started. Opened at almost at flat levels, and then market went up. Bit of consolidation again, similar to Nifty. Went up a bit of consolidation, but on bullish side, and yeah, it's slowly moving up with a good amount of volumes. Come, see the red volumes are very less, whereas the green volumes are very high. So which means the market is trying to be bullish. So don't go for any short trades. For now, I can say, yeah. So definitely the good support levels are this one, 36,000 levels. So selling 36,000 and below 36,000 puts are very good as a safe trade. If you want to take an aggressive trade, as it give a breakout here, you can sell 36,500 to 36,700 put sells for an aggressive trade. So if you want to take a call buy, so wait till it breaks our horizontal resistance or this 38,500 levels. Once it breaks, it gives a small pullback, and again it will take a support, and again it will go up. So at that time you will have a good stop loss to take the trade. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. So now I am going into open interest. So on Nifty on Friday there are 10 million calls added and 26 million puts added, where you can always say more puts, more bullish views, more calls, more bearish views. So on 26 put millions added. So the more put added at 17400 levels and 7300 levels. So for the next week we can say 7300 and 400 levels would be the good support levels, and 17500 levels lot of unwinding has seen, like around 1 million calls unwinded and 1.6 million put added. Okay, so overall for the week you can say, okay, I'll show you. So overall for the week, so 17400 17500 is a good support zone, I guess, because it's all dominated 17500 levels, puts dominated 17500 levels, and again it can go more up as there is no proper resistance here. You can say the market can move till 18,000 for now. Okay, and it is only a Friday. Generally the Friday option chain is very less. Once it gets from Monday and Tuesday, the option chain will be intact, and you can follow option chain for your trade. So coming to FI data, so there are a lot of calls taken and also puts. So calls are almost equal to puts, so insignificant you can say. So there is a bullish movement again. Puts, they shorted puts and they bought calls, FIs. So yeah, and even in the stocks, there are like almost 2,000 crores buying in stock, cash, and index futures are very less into. So from past 4 days, the FIs are buying cash. FIs are buying stocks. So which means the FI sentiment have been changed a bit. So that's why the markets are moving up also, you can say. So this is what the analysis says. So okay, coming to the Bank Nifty. Just a second, guys. In Bank Nifty also we have 5.4 million calls added and double of puts added. So more 36,500 puts are added. You can take aggressive bids of 36,500 put sells if you want to take a trade, or else below 36,000 it's a very safe trade for the coming week. So coming to the open interest of the Bank Nifty, 36,500 levels, as I said, the 500 levels are more prone to be intact. And the next resistance as per option chain, it's coming around 37,500, which I think it can break easily as we have like 5 days left. So that's it today for guys. So if you want to take any aggressive bets, you can go for 17,500 put sells and 36,500 put sells. If you want to take very safe trades, you can go for 17,400 to 17,000 level put sells, and also in Bank Nifty you can say 36,000 and below puts. And don't take any call buying or something, because there is a immediate next level resistance. Once it crosses, just wait for the price action to give you something. Once you get the price action, you can take any kind of those trades. That's it guys for today. So I hope you liked it.